Hey, what's up, YouTubers? John Rambo. I don't know if you watched my last video, but I showed you a few hacks, survival equipment you can find around the house. It's cold outside today. It's like really windy and like 32 degrees. So I'm gonna try to build me a fire. And I've done this with 9-volt batteries. I haven't never done it with anything but 9-volt, but today I'm going to try to do it with a 123 battery. And the finer the steel wool, the better this works. But like I say, I ain't never done it with anything but a 9-volt. These 123 batteries are supposed to be 3 volts. So what you're going to do pretty much with your steel wool is connect the negative and the positive. And you get sparks at the top. Okay, got a little bit of fire going. We'll try to keep it going. Oh. Alright, I messed up a little bit on that one. You did see fire, so try it again. Still didn't get my cardboard lid though. Try it again. You'll have to thin it out some. It takes some practice to do this. Alright, got her pizza box lit. There you go. So I finally did get the pizza box lit with a piece of steel wool and 123 battery. So it can be done. I'm going to finish building this fire. I'm going to show you. I'm going to try some paint thinner, and as far as see if we can use paint thinner for Zippo fuel. Alright, I'm back, and my last video you see me start a fuel a Zippo lighter with fingernail polish remover. The main ingredient in fingernail polish remover is acetone, and so it's flame. And today we'll try some paint thinner. See if we can fuel it with paint thinner. Probably would not be too close though, but see, I wish I had a better way of doing this, but this theory is untested. I have not tested this theory, so I mean, this is just another thing that may be around your house that can be used when you got a shortage. Alright, before I light this, I'm going to let this fume get off my fingers. Now, I'm just going to let some of the fumes go away. We're going to try it and see what happens here. Apparently, it may not be quite as combustible as acetone. Don't know. Alright, so it don't look like we're going to be able to use paint thinner for Zippo fuel. Not working so well. John Rainbow, I'm out.